Here's how to connect your ManyChats account to Instagram. So once you've made an account with ManyChat and have logged in, you want to click on add a new account. And from here, you can choose whatever platform you want to integrate ManyChat with. In this case, we're using Instagram. So go ahead, click Instagram, click on go to Instagram. It'll bring you to a new pop-up page. Now we do have to change our account type to a professional account in order to proceed. So we can go ahead and click change and then go ahead and describe which one makes best sense for you, creator or business. For this case, we're just going to click on creator, click on next. Select on a category. I'm just going to add in some random stuff and confirm you want to switch to a creator account. And that is basically how you are going to be able to integrate Instagram with ManyChat. Click on done and it's all connected and ready to go. Click on allow to proceed with all this confirmation. And as we can see, we're all connected, and ManyChat does have a free plan, or you can do a 14 days free trial with its pro plan.